There is nothing impossible before God. If God wills it, God will find a way to make it happen. As Mary have said, how can this be? I have no relations with a man. And perhaps Joseph would ask the question, how can this be since we have no relations? My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, all things are possible before God. All things will be possible. I have been inviting you to have this frame of mind that you must learn to imagine the unimaginable for God to do the impossible. You must learn to imagine the unimaginable for God to do the impossible. There is nothing impossible because if you cannot imagine it, you will never have it. There are things that prevents from working in our lives. The sad story, the first person who doubt is we ourselves.